Hi, this collaboration is an open invite to decorate a lantern for the holidays. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to decorate it, and I want you to tell me which one you like and which one I decided to keep for my space. Grab a cup of coffee, tea, water, or whatever you like. Sit back and watch the transformation. My name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. The thrifted lantern was used for all 3 looks. And because the glass was broken, the bottom was removed and a candle top was used on the bottom with hot glue and E6000. Then it was taken out and just the bottom was spray painted, chalkboard black. Otherwise, it was left the same. Lantern number 1. The supplies needed include a thrifted lantern, some lace ribbon, a gold wreath, and a candle in the jar from Dollar Tree. Now look number 1 is on the modern glam side. The wreath used was all gold. It was placed on the bottom of the lantern. And a cone-shaped glass vase was put inside the wreath. I made a bowl with lace, tied it, and hung it on the side of the lantern. The candle was lit, and the rest is history. This is so easy and beautiful. Decorating a lantern is an open playlist with the hosts, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Design with Emma, DIY with Aria, Annalise Cupboard, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Sasu Glam Style, Barbie Daly's Rural Life, May's Design Corner, Joyful Decor by Denise, and me, Z9 Designs. Make sure you use the hashtag DecorateALantern24. So get comfy, watch, and be inspired. Lantern idea number 2. The supplies needed include the thrifted lantern, a snow-covered wreath, red ribbon, a candle, bell, and some jute. I removed the other items and started on the second idea. A snow-covered wreath was placed inside the lantern. A red ribbon was placed on the left of the handle, and a bell was attached to give it, a little jingle. I had a short candle with some cinnamon sticks, leaves, pine cone, some seeds, and a flower. And this was thrifted. So you know what happens when you get thrifted things. Sometimes everything is not quite there. So this one only had 1 wick instead of 2. So light your candle and be responsible. Do not leave it unattended. If you have it, it is best to use a battery-operated candle, especially if you're not going to be right there. Lantern number 3. The supplies needed include a lantern, a green wreath, red ribbon plus the bell, as you saw on the other one, hurricane glass, and a battery-operated candle. I put a green wreath inside the lantern and straightened and fluffed it up. Then I put a glass hurricane inside the wreath and slipped a battery-operated candle inside. And since the red ribbon was already there, it gave it just the pop of color it needed. Turn the battery on, and the rest is history. And you know, you can also have remote control to turn the battery on and off. So, of the 3, which one did I keep? Did I keep number 1? Number 2? Or number 3? I'll let you know next time. If you have liked what you have seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Crafting is very satisfying, but it can be challenging work too. I always enjoy encouraging comments. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each week. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, Luke 2:10 says, "And the angel said unto them, Fear not, for I bring you good tidings of great joy, which shall be to all people." See you later. Bye.